So it came in a box like this. It's not too heavy, but I'm pregnant, so I can't be really lifting stuff. Whew. I'm 34 weeks, by the way, and my doctors are going to induce me at 37 weeks, so I have like 3 more weeks left. That's why I got all this baby stuff in my room. Got their bassinet behind me, even though it's like full with my hospital bag and stuff, because the plan is to induce me at 37 weeks, but I go see a specialist every week, and if my one baby is bigger than the other, so if the smaller baby doesn't make progress in growth, they're going to induce me sooner. So I could be induced next week, I could be induced in 2 weeks, and they can come any day. So I'm really just making sure I'm prepared. My hospital bag is packed. My mom, she's home now, but she went to the store to go get me some like more stuff for my bag because I'm spoiled and I wasn't feeling good, so she went to the store for me and got the rest of the stuff off the checklist. Dang, Daniel. Who is she talking to? Mom!
Hey, Donna, I'm getting your food.
Okay, thank you. I was just about to say my food is coming.
Donna,
Yes?
I'm here.
Huh?
He's waiting for me to sign it. You leaving him a tip?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
I told you like a million times because I brought you food too.
Oh, I'm sorry. I
bought
was in that store. I'll show you what I got. 9.
I didn't feel like doing the
That's
math.
49.18. I did it right? 5 and 4 is 9.
Alrighty. So
Gina.
it's upside down. Alright, I want to make sure you guys really can see good. Alright. I don't even know what this is called, but this is the box that it comes in. It's not too heavy. Ooh, look at my belly. Oh my gosh. Alright. And on the side, it just has everything that comes with it. I'm not even going to read all this stuff off, but because I'm going to open it one by one, so you'll see everything that comes in it. But this is what it's called. You guys can see the name. GLOUE or GLOUE or GLOUE, something like that. I don't even know. But I will tag them and put the link in my description box. Mama's coming to the rescue.
They didn't have maxi pads in that store.
Okay.
So I got these. My card paid for it. They were $14.90 something.
Just regular pads?
They're super the extra.
Not because I have my period, but because I'm going to be giving birth and
yeah.
And I just need to make sure that, you know, for
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that I'm not looking and doing all that.
So listen, I got you some witch hazel.
Yes, I need that.
Yes, you definitely need that. And toothbrush, you pick out the color you want. I figured I'd take purple, but you want the pink one or the purple one?
Don't matter to me.
Witch hazel.
Featuring
Cheese.
Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you. So the instructions, it tells you how to put it together. Alright, the front, the back, installation. Preparation before instant. Open the box and take out all the accessories. Open the box, take out all the accessories. That's what we're gonna do. We will figure it out. Alright, this is the first box. I don't know what's in it. This is the 18-inch LED ring light, by the way. It's one of the big ones. This is the remote control and the Bluetooth controller. This is the ball head and the mobile phone clip. This is the power cord. And then this is the 18-inch halo. Assemble the tripod. Unfold the tripod reversely. Adjust the angle and then tighten the rotary knob on it. Which one is the tripod? It must be in here. Oh no, the tripod must be in this one. Okay. Huh? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, Yanni blessed me with the stroller for the babies. Unfold the tripod, adjust the angle, and tighten the knob. Well, there's like multiple knobs, so what are they talking about? Like, alright, I'm not trying to break anything. Oh, this knob maybe? I don't want to break it, guys. Oh, okay. So you like loosen this up a little bit. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey, right? Okay. So you just pull these things down. Okay, there we go. There we go. Donna didn't break it. Set that up. Then righty tighty, so you gotta tighten it so that it stays. That it stays in place. Alright, I didn't do it too tight. Oh yeah, see, I should do it tighter because it's gonna open up. It's gonna open up if you don't do it tight. Next step. Are you sure that this is adjust the angle and then tighten it? Okay, so I guess you just adjust. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. But there's like a bunch of knobs on here and you can adjust to the size that you want. So I'm sitting down right now, so we're gonna do it short. But there's like there's three of them. 1, 2, and 3. So it's pretty big. I'm not gonna mess it up. Install the ring light. Put the ring light on top of the tripod, clamp, and then tighten the knob on the ring light. Alright. Comes in a nice little bag. Has little straps and all that. That's good for when I want to travel with it. Oh, and this is a bag for the tripod thing. So that's cool. That's super cute. Because I'm definitely going to be traveling with my light. Especially when I have to start doing my people's makeup. I'm bringing this with me to their house because I need it. Definitely need it. Is the 18-inch halo. Alright, and it says, put the ring light on top of the tripod, tighten the knob on the ring light. So I'm guessing we tighten this one. So lefty loosey. Oh, that's this one. Okay. What's this for? Alright. So we're gonna tighten this one. Just so it's not moving all over the place. And then this. Oh, it's 360. Like, that's lit. Alright, so let's do this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright. It's gonna be alright. Okay. I think that is what I was supposed to do. Install the ring light, put the ring on. Install the ball head in the phone clip. Ball head in phone clip. Alright. That comes in this one. There we go. Okay. Oh! Ooh, that hurt my toe too. This goes right here. Alright. Go ahead into the ring light bathroom and then fix the phone clip on the door. I'm starving. My food is downstairs. We're gonna take a break after I put this together and I'm gonna eat, and then I'll be back and show you the outcome. So we put this on here. Whatever way you like. Okay. This is the last step of putting it together. So where is the power cord supposed to go? I'm starving and my food is waiting for me downstairs. I'm so hungry. This is what it looked like. Just, oh, you put it right here. Oh, that's so cool. They have a USB, so you can hook up like your charger and stuff like that, and you can charge your phone. That's so cool. But okay, so you put the power cord right back here. And then you just plug it in. We gonna eat some chicken tenders and french fries and some mozzarella sticks.
And I'm getting beat up emotionally too. That stuff wears you out.
And my baby's just coming.
Yeah, your babies are coming. I gotta get some rest. Gina, put this in the garbage for me.
I wish you listened like that. We're gonna start recording a lot. And I'm gonna be doing pranks on you and stuff.
Oh gosh, no. Please don't.
I am.
Donna.
I have to. I need viewers. We need to check. We need that money from YouTube. Posting it too.
You better not post that.
I'm posting it. Y'all hear her?
You better not.
Mom, you need the views. You gotta be funny.
I have to be able to be free. I can't be taking my time for everything.
Yo, I can edit it out.
Okay, good. Whew. Thank you, Lord.
All right, We are back with another clock. No, I'm just joking. All right, so I put it together. I'm all nice and full now. We gonna plug it in and see how this even works, because I don't know what to do. What it do, boo boo? What it do, boo boo? The right knob adjusts the color temperature clockwise from 3000K to 6000K. Then the left knob adjusts the brightness clockwise from 0% to 100%. So color and brightness. Dimming by remote. Okay, well we're gonna try to, all right, so you gotta turn the power button on. All right, that's on. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so it's on. Let me take this stuff off. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right. See, look, it goes down like this. It goes down like this. So this is the color clockwise. So this is adjusting the color. Ooh. 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 Oh, okay. The brightness, okay, so from 0. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, wowzers. This works great. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Nothing, you hear me? Okay, so that was adjusting it by knobs. I'm playing with my ring light. That's what I'm doing. I got a ring light. All right. Dimming by remote control. All right, so this is the batteries. Thank God that I had them, because I would have been tight if I had to go to the store. Focus. There we go. I is the switch off. Oh. Okay. We'll turn it on. The plus is to increase the brightness. All right. The minus is to decrease the brightness. The star is the mode button to change the mode according to order as following: yellow light, ooh, neutral light, white light, sleeping mode. Yellow light, neutral light, white light. I like the white light. I like all of them actually. Sleep mode. Oh, there's an app that you gotta download and all this extra other stuff that I will set up another time, because I'm not doing that. But overall, I would rate this 10 out of 10. It's really dope. I like it. It's actually pretty amazing. This is the light that I needed. Like, are you kidding me? Yo, hold on. Oh my gosh, what? Y'all serious? All right, you guys are on my ring light. Let's see, we're gonna turn it on. Ooh. No, y'all can even see the lint on my shirt. No, don't even look at all that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, And this was the, so this is sleep mode, yellow light, neutral light, cool light. Okay, heard you, okay. And this is super, super bright. My dog is going crazy downstairs. Chino! Can't even deal with him. All right, I give this a 10 out of 10. I love this. I just need to learn how to like focus my camera in more. And I don't know how to do that, but I'm gonna figure it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Mwah. My forehead looks humongous in this bun. I don't ever wear buns because my forehead looks huge. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. Love you.